Writing FAQs can be a grind, typing the same answers over and over. What if you could generate them in seconds instead? FAQ sections often feel tedious, but AI makes it quick and consistent. This is the prompt I entered. You can copy it if you want. Within moments, ChatGPT produces a full set of questions and answers tailored to your product or service. You can pick the best ones, tweak them if needed, and add them to your site. No writer's block required. But FAQs alone don't make a business. That's where the AI Business Builder Challenge comes in. Across 5 beginner-friendly episodes, it shows you how to integrate AI-generated content, including FAQs, sales copy, and email sequences, into a full business setup that works from day one. Plus, you also get bonuses like the one-on-one AI strategy call, giving you personalized guidance to turn your content into revenue. Stop spending hours writing FAQs. Let AI do it for you. Then use the AI Business Builder Challenge to implement it into a real business plan. It's just $17 to get started, and the link is waiting for you in the description.